Do you always feel like you're going underwater with your finances? We are having a live webinar again on 10/10 at 7 p.m. Central to talk to you guys about how to earn money online and gain your family time back. Be able to spend more time with those that matter most instead of spending time with your work family, right? Don't go underwater. Stay above water, you guys. Enjoy life. Quit working overtime. There is a better way to do it, and it's with online digital marketing. It is easy, you guys. Once you invest in a program that you think is going to fit your goals, with this Legacy Builders program, what it consists of, and I'm going to explain really quick what it consists of. You buy into the program with a one-time investment, and you have a $29 web page fee. The investment can be $100, $300, $600, or $900. You buy into it, you market, you promote, and you resell the program for the price point that you bought in and anything below that price point. How you market it is you copy and paste free ads, takes about 30 minutes a day, and you post 3 social media videos to promote and market. That is what we call attraction marketing, my friend. No calling, no DMing, no messaging people. The people find you with your digital real estate, which is your ads and your videos. They never leave you. So if you're interested and you want to watch our free webinar on Thursday at 7 p.m., comment webinar in the comments. I'll get your email information from you and I will send you the email with the registration link. Or go to my bio, and in my bio, you can put your email in and then send me an email. And in that email, put webinar in that email and I'll get it out to you, you guys. You guys, stay above water. Have a good night.